that Black Lives Matter? Why must we have to cry Black Lives Matter? We're humans, we're people, but I hear them chanting something saying Black Lives Matter. I can't hear you on this phone, but I hear people outside yelling Black Lives Matter. Why is it that we must come to a place where we have to chant and remind people that our lives matter? Black Lives Matter. Mothers everywhere can't sleep. Wives waiting for their husbands to come in. Grandsons not making it through the door because they're out causing a movement. Black Lives Matter. It's not just a birthing that's going on in our community from the racial disparities that are happening, but they are coming forth causing a movement just to remind that Black Lives Matter. You want to be able to sleep at night when you get on your knees and remind God to protect your children as they're out in our community, but be reminded that Black Lives Matter. When I hear people say all lives matter, it means that they don't get it. Black Lives Matter being chanted throughout our community does not negate the fact that all lives matter. Yes. It's because things are happening in our community. Hello? Hello? It's because things are happening in our community that we have to remind people that Black Lives Matter. So say it with me. Black Lives Matter. Look at your neighbor and remind your neighbor that Black Lives Matter. Remind your children, your grandchildren, your husband, your wives, your nieces, nephews, and granddaughters that Black Lives Matter. There is a plan, and this is a plan that it is good, and it was good before the foundation of this world, that our lives do matter. Just remember that Black Lives Matter. Wipe your tears and stand up and become a part of this movement to remind ourselves and to remind each other that on days when things get a little hard, that you have to know and look in the mirror and say to yourself, you matter and Black Lives Matter. Say it with me. Black Lives Matter. Say it loud. Black Lives Matter. One more time. Black Lives Matter. God bless you.
Say it now. I'm Black Lives Matter. Say it loud. Black Lives Matter.